We're here with Vince from DTF Station, and he's going to be showing us through the Prestige XL2. This is an awesome machine. Can you take us through some of the features here?
Yeah, so the XL2 is a 24-inch DTF printer. When you talk about production, I always think about the XL2 because of the dual print heads that it has. It does about 100 square feet per hour, so it's meant for some serious production. It does have CMYK white. Some of the cool features that our machine has that others don't is the auto stirring on our white. We have print head detection sensors. We have auto wet capping in the front. We even have a take-up system in the back to keep your film nice and straight. We have a vacuum on our film to prevent head strikes. Those are just some of the main features that our machine has that makes it the XL2 probably the best 24-inch DTF printer on the market.
Now, you guys also carry the XL4. Can you kind of talk us through the differences between the XL2 and the XL4?
Yeah, so the XL4 has 4 print heads. It's dual CMYK. Really, it means your production is going to be higher. So if you need about 140 square feet per hour, the XL4 is going to be the machine for you. It also has these same awesome features that the XL2 has, just in a 4-head model.
Wow, that's blazing fast. Now, there are some other additional features on this machine that really make it awesome. Can you talk us through those as well?
Yeah, so our XL2 has tons of features that a lot of 24-inch models don't have right now. One of the main things is auto wet capping. So our white head actually auto wet caps and moisturizes the print head so it doesn't dry out. Our white ink has circulation in it and also stirs the white ink on a timer. Our machines can pause mid-print. They can clean mid-print if you need to. We also have a special tension bar on the back, which makes your film stay nice and straight. It also has a vacuum on here to keep your film nice and flat, so we want to prevent head strikes. We have more sensors than probably any other machine on the market. If I lift this up while it prints, it's going to pause. Safety first, we want to make sure that the prints are coming out perfect every time. So XL2 is loaded with tons of features that you won't see on the market.
Now, this would be a considerable upgrade from the Prestige R2. What are the main differences between the R2 and the XL2?
You know, the first thing you notice is size. We basically took the XL2 and shrunk it down into that 13-inch format, but this is a production model of the R2. It's 24 inches. It's a more commercial grade printer. And so if you need to run this machine 8 to 10 hours a day consistently, this is the machine for you. The R2 is great for any home business, small business. But again, if you need production, you're gonna go with the XL2.
Now, the XL2 does require a special setup, am I right?
Yeah, so with the XL2 or any of our large format Prestige printers, we do require on-site installation. Our technician will go there, show you how to load media, show you how to use our DigiRip software, show you how to print. We want to get some confidence in you as you're doing your printing, and so our technician will do that for you.
So basically, you're print ready once the technician is done.
Yeah, all we ask is get the printer on the stand when my tech shows up. It makes his life a lot easier.
Vince, thank you so much for taking the time to show us through the Prestige XL2. Super awesome machine. You can get your own XL2 and XL4 at heatpressnation.com, along with our full selection of heat transfer equipment and supplies.